Alrighty guys, this is Frosty. I wanted to show you how the RickRak looks and how it cleans it up. That's the install one. That's the one that comes with it. Now, Harley has come out with a click on these. Here at ratcheting, it ratchets the same as the RickRak. It's got a little plate there with some buttons on it, and it ratchets to it. The simple ease of installation of this is unreal, because RickRak thought this out. You see that little plate with the buttons on it. Let me lay this up here all the way. And here's the RickRak with a plate on it and the buttons. You take that one out, you stick this one in. And then you just spin it, because it's the same thread size. Sorry, I'm trying to do this by myself. But it's the same thread size. And what it does, when you get down there to the bottom, takes a little bit. Click. Click. And it's on. Click. It's on. And look how clean that is. These are your latches here for your bags. Those two latches. But look how clean that is. Nothing in the way. Reach your hand in and out. Don't drag on it. It doesn't snag on this edge like this thing sticking out. I don't know why that Harley Davidson doesn't use their brain. This is took a lot of work to make this damn thing. I don't know. But that's what it looks like when it's cleaned out. And yeah, I keep mobile one in there. I rarely ever use, I've never had to add any to it. But I keep it in there because you never know. That's just me. But that's what it looks like with the RickRaks installed, and that's how easy it is to do. 30 seconds. It's Frosty. Thanks for watching, guys.